Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to convert the coordinate values of latitude and the longitude, which was with degree, minute and second, and to convert it to decimal degree. So we are using, most of we use the platform like lat long converter. This one needs you compiling from your recorded data to this tool, and then copying it and again pasting on your Excel or your working environment. So it is what time consuming task, and we have to use an easy task for this purpose. So when we use this one like this, recording it on the software, then converting, then copying and pasting on the Excel or in our working environment. So like here, this you can paste here and repeat the process like this, but it is time consuming and it may be a difficult task. In order to manage this task, and if we have more than 10 or 20 items of a coordinate with latitude and longitude value, we have to use an easy task like using the simple formula from the Excel. Okay, I can use the equation by using each columns, which is degree, minute and second columns of longitude and latitude value. So I can divide the minute sides into 60 and the second part into 3600. It's nothing but it is second value. Okay, then I can hit enter. You see here easily I can convert from degree, minute and second to decimal degree, and I can drag from the top to bottom like this. And the same way I have to calculate the latitude values from the degree, minute and the second to decimal degree, and I will have to follow each column of degree, minute and seconds. Okay, now we did, and don't forget like and share this channel.